Welcome. If you've ever joined a Discord server and wondered why you can't see all the channels, you're not alone. Whether you're new to Discord or just looking to get the most out of your server experience, today I'm going to show you exactly how to reveal all channels in a Discord server, updated for the latest version. First things first, open up your Discord app. This works on both desktop and mobile, so just make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at your list of servers on the left side of your screen. Tap the server you want to explore. This will open up the server and show you the channels you currently have access to. Now, here's the key step. At the top of your screen, you'll see the server's name. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the server settings menu where you can adjust a variety of options to customize your Discord experience. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Show All Channels. By default, this setting might be turned off, which means you're only seeing channels you have permission to view or channels that aren't hidden. To reveal every channel, simply toggle on Show All Channels. Once you do this, all available channels in the server will appear in your channel list, even the ones you might not have access to read or send messages in. These channels will be visible, but you'll notice that you can't interact with them unless you're granted the proper permissions by a server admin. This feature is especially helpful if you want to see the full structure of a server or if you're curious about what channels exist. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to show all channels in any Discord server. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.